Colton. Hi, baby. How are you today? Huh? How's my baby? How's my baby boy? How's my baby boy? Huh? Colton. Baby. How are you? How was your day? Did you have a good day with Grandma and Daddy? Huh? You did? Did you have fun? What all did you do? Do you have some milk? And you had what? Your diaper changed? What else? Did you sleep? Yeah. Oh my goodness. All of that stuff? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What else? Oh my. That's a lot of stuff to do in one day. Yeah. Yeah? And then what happened? What else? Oh, okay. Anything else? No? That's it? End of story?